Hi everyone, my name is Selden Tenzing. I'm an entrepreneur in the field of travel, a certified life coach, a business coach, a speaker and author in making. What a long introduction, right? So thank you so much for joining us today. I am very excited for this interview again. I have my second guest on my show. We're doing this coaching success interviews and coaching success stories. And the whole idea and the reason behind why I'm doing this is because I want to bring awareness to people to show them what coaching is about, how coaching can help them, and transformation is possible. If someone has doubt whether they could change or not, whether things could improve or not, I definitely want to say that it is possible. And I wanted to bring guests on my interview on my YouTube channel to show that it is possible. So without further ado, I want to welcome Mr. Wafadil, who's right there on the screen. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much for coming
Yeah.
in.
Thank you very
It's
much.
been a it's been a personally it's been wonderful. I was sharing with you off screen as well. Wonderful experience working with you. You're a man of ethics, you're a man of high values. And I personally learned a lot from you. So I'm so excited that you're here today to share your journey, to share your story, and I hope it will inspire a lot of people around.
Yeah,
So
definitely. Sure.
so first and foremost, I want you to introduce yourself so that viewers and listeners can understand who you are. So tell me about yourself.
Yeah. Myself, Mufaddal Haider Mota. I'm staying in Surat, Gujarat. I'm a businessman having two businesses. One is inherited family business since 3 decades of printing of paper and plastic labels used by pharma, FMCG, lubricants, and many other companies. And the second business is travel business. I like to travel, so I started this business in 2012. Yeah.
Yes, yes, nice, nice, lovely. And I also want you to share how we met and what was the like what made you sign up for this program? What clicked for you? So if you could share that as well.
Yeah, definitely. Actually, I told you that I'm into travel business. So during this lockdown period in April,
Mm.
uh, Travel Boutique has organized a session with you on changing your mindset in these hard times. And you are a speaker for this program. You explained that we want to do many things in our life, but at the same time, we have a fear in our mind of failure. And many other negative thoughts come, which stops us from start working on that our goals, or even if we start, we leave it halfway. So we
Mm.
need to train our mind. We need to change our mindsets. Same problem was going in my business also. I had a problem for marketing techniques.
Okay.
So you explained me that how I have to. I call you. Another thing I noticed in you that you are very clear in advising me. Actually, I had an issue of marketing in my products and then on Skype. I spoke to you about my problem. You told me that you will not teach how to do marketing, that you can do it on online courses or something like that. But your program will help me in self development, which will indirectly help me in presenting myself and my products in a better way to others. So it is actually to sell something. First of all, we have to present ourselves. So
Mm.
that is the main point you told me. Uh,
Mm.
this thing I liked about you because you are clear. You did not just to join me the course. You did not give a flowery picture that you will uh, teach me marketing and all that, and I'll join the course. You are clear that no, you will not teach a marketing. If you want to do the marketing course, you will have to do it again, some other course. But I'll
Mm.
change your mindset. That was
Mm.
a clear thing which I got from you. So I joined the course.
Wow, wonderful, wonderful. I think I'm learning new things which we have never spoken about before, I think. But that's right. I was just when you were talking about this, I was going back into that flashback and I remember that we were exchanging emails one after another, long, 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 long,
Yeah.
long emails. And
Yeah.
then I was totally enjoying and I was like, okay, because I could see that intention in you as well, that you really want to learn, you really want to be better. You're actually there are some aspects you're struggling in and you're looking for answers, like most
Yeah.
people.
Yeah.
So I really wanted to help you and I was trying to give you my best and I wanted to give you a clear picture because लोगों को घुमा घुमा के किसी को कुछ बेचना doesn't make any sense because it's not a long term game anyways, right? So I wanted to be very specific with you and personally this is something I really believe in, that people think that growing a business is a skills game, People think कि अगर skill, अगर मुझे marketing सीख लूँ या sales सीख लूँ या business development सीख लूँ, of course these are important, very very important. I'm not saying it's not, but I personally find that what is more important is your mindset, because everything for me starts from here and everything ends here. So I feel that if I can help people reprogram this, build this, make it stronger, resilient, more persistent, clear, focused, all of these things, I feel that बाकी जो चीजें जो skill based चीजें हैं ना, वो तो आप ऐसे सीख सकते हैं. That is never a problem really. So first, psychology. Let's work on the psychology, and then skill based, everything can come in. So I'm so glad. Thank you so much for trusting in me again. Thank you कि आपने believe किया मेरे ऊपर, and I believe, and I'm glad that you took up this program, and I had personally a wonderful journey with you. And so here is my next question. I'm curious to know, and I'm sure people also want to know, what is it that you learned in your journey? What is it that you experienced new things? Any breakthrough, realization, anything that you can share with the audience today?
Yes. Every week, actually, I was discovering new things from myself. Every week, you're sending the assignments. We were discussing every Sunday because I had chosen that Sunday as a day I'm free.
Right.
So every week we were discussing, and every week I was discovering something new things. On first and second week, the first and foremost thing that I discovered was the 6 baselines, the 6 concepts which a person has in his self. It is by default, but I never noticed this qualities in me that were
Right.
there, and I was following it, but I did not notice why these are the points which I follow in my life. Example, one of the baseline is family. Out of the 6 baseline, I will just tell one because it will be a elaborate thing.
Sure. Anything.
Yeah. So one of the baseline is family. I always think of my family first. Whatever I do in my deeds, I think of my family. So this was one of the thing which I learned on first and second week. And another thing, activity was writing down a speech on me. What would my friend, a colleague, or a family member speak about me if they were given a chance? So that was something new because I had to write on behalf of them. So I had to think that what I'll write, the same way I am behaving with them. So that is what they will speak. So that was a new experience. And in writing that, I discovered many things that were related to my baselines. That the points were common. Because I in my baselines are like family, reliability, thankfulness. These are my baselines. Contribution, investing, peace. I want peace of mind. These were my baselines. And all the speeches we discussed, and I have seen that the family members, anyone will write the same thing, that this is a peaceful person. But there was one point also, that anger part was also there. Another activity which we did was that encode thing, that negative codes which we have in ourselves, that I cannot do this thing, that thing, that I had to write in this activity. And against that, I had to write the positive e-codes, that whatever I'm thinking negatively, I have to write it in a positive way. So this helped me in knowing my fear, negative thoughts, and how reading that e-code daily, I feel that effect of negative codes is diminishing day by day. Over the months, it is diminishing. It cannot be totally eradicated, but it can get low.
Right.
Then one activity was a Wheel of Life activity. The Wheel of Life activity helped me in knowing my weak areas of life, such as due to workload, I am ignoring my health, fun, and recreational time with my family. So I have started working on it and see to it that I give time for it. This was one of the things that I've discovered. Then one activity was activity of writing down your 50 outcomes, your desires and the goals which I have to achieve in my life. In this activity, I had to give what action I will take and in what timeline I will do this. So this made it again specific. The action also and the timeline. So it helped me in prioritizing my activities. By this outcome I have to do first, then I'll think of that outcome.
True.
by doing this, actually, I got a step-by-step path to move towards my goal.
Lovely.
In this course, these steps were told as a power leap. Power leap. In this
Right.
course, we call it as a
Right.
power leap. Yeah.
Yes.
These are
Yes.
the certain things which I discovered from myself.
Wow. 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 Yay! And thank you
Thank you.
so much for sharing everything. Is just, I realize that sometimes people think that they know themselves, right? क्योंकि हम अपने आप को जानते हैं, सब आता है हमें, that mindset, सब आता है वाला mindset is there. And we realize that, going through this course, and you shared very clearly that you discover so many new things about yourself, not the other person, but yourself. And you tend to think, sometimes we tend to think कि हमें तो सब पता है, but नहीं पता होता है. And we are not as self-aware as we might be thinking today. So I think self-coaching is about being self-aware, being absolutely self-aware कि मैं कौन हूँ, who am I, what do I like, what I don't like, what are my true qualities, what are the thought processes in my head. A lot of deep diving into psychology aspects as well. And then coaching is also not about motivational speaking, because मैं थक honestly speaking मैं थक गई हूँ. लोग मुझे कहते रहते हैं मैं motivational speaker हूँ, motivational speaker हूँ, but I am not a motivational speaker. I am somebody, coaching is so different. Coaching is about getting definite on your goals, getting definite in your actions. Like you said, we create strategies, we create timelines, we create action steps, and that is what leads to the goal. And it, अगर मैं सिर्फ आपको ये बोलती रहूँगी नहीं आप कर सकते हो, you can do it, you can do it, you can do it, and then you will be like, but how should I do it, and that's
Yeah.
why people get stuck all the time. So I think that for me, that's like coaching is very, very powerful. I've also had so many mentors around the world. And today I give all the credit. Today, the reason I am who I am today is because of those mentors. अगर वो मेरी life में नहीं आए होते in different point of time, I probably wouldn't be the same person. So thanks for sharing so much. And my next question to you is कि आपने जितनी चीजें आपने सीखी है, so many learnings, so many breakthroughs. अब आप new इस practical life में, how are you applying your practical life? How has that impacted your professional and as well as your personal life? If you can share, that'll be great.
Yeah, definitely. As per the program, this course, we have to read the blueprint and see the visions board daily, and note down the points that what achievements we have done, what we are lacking in it, and move towards that goal. Actually, I noting down, I'm not able to do this, but the reading the blueprint and the vision board and getting a feel of that vision board. While the
Yeah.
training, you told me that you should be, because I had kept my vision board up in the office and somewhere which was not reachable, and you suggested it should be reachable. You should be able to feel and touch that board. So I have kept it in a space that I can touch and feel that board. So by doing this every day, uh, this reminds me and helps me in moving towards my goal and desires. But it reminds me that I had planned these things and I have to do it. So subconsciously it helps me. Now, talking about the professional life, I had a dream to do export business, which I had included in my vision board. This dream was there since my graduation 20 years back, but did not know how to go about and how to start export business. I was into business, but not that export business. I'm a local trader. I'm not able to do export, and how to, the procedures are there in export. In local trading, it is simple. We get the GST number, we approach the company and we sell the product. But in export,
Right.
we don't have the client in front of us. We have to communicate virtually, just like we are doing like yeah right now. So it is difficult to convince the client. But as I was regularly looking at this vision board, I think my subconscious mind was working on it subconsciously. I have to do export. I have to do export business. This was there till 28 years, but it was passive. Now after this course, it is activated. So somehow I got a chance, and I got a person right person, through which I did an import-export course last 15 days back. So I did an import-export course, and now I have applied for that import-export license also, and moving further. So this was the first step towards that professional life, export business. So this was something I think one of the major effects of this course in the professional life. And
Yes, yes.
now talking about the personal life. Before joining the course, I had some negative notions that I cannot manage my time, money. I used to get upset easily in facing the problems. Even if there is a small problem, I used to get upset. How will I tackle this problem? I used to get angry on my wife for petty reasons sometimes that that we had discussed. This I had mentioned in my N code. I knew that it was wrong, but I could not control. But during the course, we had discussed that how to avoid these habits, and we had developed an E code. And by reading the E code daily, to my surprise, I'm able to improve this on myself. All these points are going down. It is there, but it is going down.
Right, 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 right. Wow, 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 wow. A big thumbs up to you, my friend. I'm so happy to hear this progress of yours. And you're absolutely right that E codes, N codes, the negative thoughts in our head, whether we like it or not, it will probably remain because we are influenced, we're exposed to so many things. Plus, we have lifelong, these conditioning. हम बचपन से, what we have seen, and today we've imbibed it so strong कि उसको थोड़ा सा हटाना थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है. But at the same time, there is always a way to reduce it. There's always a way to have more empowering thoughts instead of negative thoughts. And thank you for sharing your deepest thoughts about your personal life. And your wife is so beautiful. She's so wonderful. She's your best friend. I love the way you both are bonded and connected. I mean, very less people have that kind of relationship. So you're very, very lucky that ways. And plus, you're building it that way. You're taking those action steps. It is your ownership, your self ownership that you've taken. Ki, mujhe aise karna hai. A lot of people want it, but then they're too afraid to take those steps, or they're too lost in life to take those steps. But you took up that decision. So hats off to you for that. Yay!
Thank you.
Awesome, awesome. So my final question is to the viewers is for those people who are still confused about what coaching is in life is, why do you think coaching is important? What would you say to them, and whether they should even take up coaching in their own personal life?
Yes, I would suggest that coaching is definitely an essential thing. As we talked previously, we might be very good at solving problems of others, but when it comes to us at times, we cannot solve our problems for our own self. Because when it comes to we are in that problem box, and sometimes we need to be out of that thing. A person standing outside can see the problem and can solve, but being in the problem, we are confused, we are in confused state, so we are not able to solve the problem. So at that time we need some proven system or coaching, which will help us in taking right decisions in our life. To be successful in life, we need a person in our life, a coach, a guide, a mentor, which will give a slight push that keeps our wheel of life to move smoothly without a break. We will be stuck in that mud, and our wheel of life will be stuck. Or we might take a wrong decisions, and the direction of the whole system will go on and off.
Very true.
It is our nature. We don't like to change ourselves. This is a human nature. We don't like to change ourselves. We are always complaining that this should happen, the world should change as per our needs. But it is not possible. But it is high time that we should understand that we cannot change the world. We have to accept the world as it is, and we have to adjust ourselves accordingly. If we do this, we can live peacefully and successfully. In one of my e-code, I have written that I create my destiny being like a fluid, like the water, and persevering like an ant, and persevering like an ant. I've started following this e-code and getting my work done in professional and personal life.
Oh, yay! That is nice.
I would recommend others to experience this coaching. It has changed me from me to incredibly. You also try and change yourself.
Yes, thank you so much. You're absolutely right. I love to emphasize this point that sometimes when we are in a mess, we challenges and problems will always there be in life. I mean, we wish ki nahi ho, but wo hota hi hai. That is what life is. And you're right that sometimes we need that hand holding. We need that mentor, someone who can push us, because hum apne hi, we are so subjective in our minds and we get lost in that thing. If there is an external person who can see a clear picture and can help you guide that is so important. And that is the reason why I have so many mentors myself, because if I don't grow, I can't help anybody grow, right? And if I can't clear my own mess, I can't help anybody clear their own mess. So it's so important to invest in yourself. I think that is something that is the prime need of an hour today, especially the pandemic that we're in today. That has given us such important lessons, that has shown the true reality of what the situation is, what kind of challenges people can face. So if you're not able to center yourself, if you're not able to calm yourself, there is no way that you can have a peaceful life, happy life, prosperous life, and there is no way that you can help the other person contribute anywhere else as well. So the first contribution needs to come within, with us. Once you are who you are a strong person, you're a centered person, then you can also go and help other people as well. Wow. But thank you so much. Thank you so much. I will thank you for your time. I appreciate it. Wonderful discussions. And I wish you all the best ahead. And I know you're going to go really, really far. There's nothing that can stop you now, because you are unstoppable today, right?
Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.